The speed of sound is approximately 768 miles per hour. When an object travels faster than the speed of sound, it creates a sonic boom. And there's actually a whole video on how sonic booms are created on Khan Academy. I encourage you to watch it. It's actually fascinating. But anyway, back to this question. Write an inequality to represent S, the speeds at which a moving object creates a sonic boom. So let's write an inequality. Let's do what they told us to. S, let's see, S has to be, they say, when an object travels faster than the speed of sound. So our speed has to be greater than the speed of sound. Our speed has to be greater than the speed of sound, which is 768 miles per hour. So S has to be greater than 768. Now, another way we could have written that is that 768 needs to be less than S. We could have written 768 needs to be less than S. That's another way we could write it. In either case, our speed is going to be greater than 768 miles per hour. We'll check our answer. Let's do a few more of these. To cook a steak to medium rare, it needs to have an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. A lower internal temperature will undercook the steak. Write an inequality to represent all of the possible temperatures T of an undercooked steak. Well, to be an undercooked steak, your temperature is going to be less than 135 degrees. So your temperature, T, is going to be less than. You could either just use the less than on your keyboard, or you could click over here on less than. Your temperature is going to be less than 135. We're assuming your temperature is in Fahrenheit degrees. So your temperature needs to be less than Fahrenheit, less than 135 degrees if you are going to have an undercooked steak. So we got that one right. Let's do a couple more, or one. Let's do one more. Simone is going snowboarding tomorrow if the temperature is equal to or colder than 5 degrees Celsius. Write an inequality to represent the temperatures at which Simone will go snowboarding. So you might want to say, oh, well, maybe, T is less than 5 degrees. Remember, they're telling us that the temperature is equal to or colder, so she's even willing to go snowboarding if it's less than or equal to 5 degrees. So instead of just saying less than, let's say less than or, let's say less than or equal to 5 degrees. So this inequality this shows us all of the temperatures at which she is willing to go snowboarding. Check our answer, and we got it right.